Creating a project scope. After creating a project, the next crucial step is to develop a comprehensive project scope. The project scope encompasses key elements such as objectives, deliverables, risks, exclusions, and budgets. To create a project scope, you need to edit the desired project. In order to achieve this, navigate to Projects from Explorer sidebar, then click Projects. You are now on the Projects list page. Locate your desired project either by scrolling or using the search bar. Click on the title to open the project record. You can also refer to this tutorial for more information about editing a project. Once on the correct project, click on the Scoping tab, revealing the sub-tabs of Objectives, Deliverables, Risks, Exclusions, and Budgets. Complete the project scoping by systematically filling in information on each relevant tab. Your project objectives should be succinct, offering a clear understanding of the primary goals the project aims to achieve. For deliverables, compile a list of key items, whether tangible or intangible, that will be provided to the client upon completion. Add any identified project risks, their likelihood, severity, and other details. Additional risks can be added as they are identified during the project's progression. Simply follow the same steps to action. Exclusions detail the aspects deliberately omitted from the project. This provides clarity on potential inclusions that the client has opted to exclude or other services that you may provide that have also been excluded from this project. Conclude the scoping process by adding project budgets. Each budget item includes estimated and actual values, enabling you to monitor budgetary progress from the project's inception to completion and assess the accuracy of initial estimations. The actual values should be added later. The final step in finalizing your project scope is to incorporate the relevant tasks essential for accomplishing the project. See the Creating Project Tasks tutorial for more details.